In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track work, log hours, and use the time tracking app in Jira. Jira includes built-in time tracking, which is a useful way to measure productivity. Compare actual work against estimates and keep projects more organized. Before anyone on the team can start logging hours, an administrator needs to make sure the feature is available and properly configured. To begin, open Jira, go to Projects and select the project you want to work with. From there, click the three-dot menu to access more options. Next, navigate to your project or space settings. Then open Work Type or Issue Types, depending on how your Jira setup is labeled. Once you're there, select the issue type you want to use, such as a story or a task. You will need to make sure the time tracking field is included on that issue screen. If it isn't already there, drag the time tracking field onto the screen so users can view and update it directly inside the issue. This step is important because without that field visible, team members may not be able to enter estimates or log time easily. You should also confirm that the correct project roles have the Work on Issue permission enabled. Without this permission, users may be able to open issues, but still won't be allowed to record the time they've spent. If time logging doesn't appear to work, this permission is one of the first things to check. Now, go back to the project and click Create to make a new issue. Add a summary so the task is clearly named and easy to identify later. On the right-hand panel of the issue form, locate the original estimate field. This is where you enter the planned duration for the work. Jira accepts time in several formats. Use W for weeks, D for days, H for hours, and M for minutes. After entering the estimate, click Create. As you work on the task, you can update Jira to reflect the time you've spent. Open the issue and click the time tracking field in the right-hand sidebar. Enter the time spent, then add any helpful notes in the work description so others can understand what was completed during that logged time. If the task is taking more or less time than expected, update the remaining estimate field as well. This helps keep planning realistic and gives your team better visibility into progress. When everything looks correct, click Save to create your work log. That's how to set up time tracking, add estimates, and log work in Jira. Thanks for watching.